afternoon, everyone. Thank you for the opportunity to be here today. We're excited about possibly working with you to develop a worksite health promotion program for UNC Housekeepers. I just saw the timer thing. That made me a little bit nervous. My name is Lauren Nungilli. I'm the Associate Director for UNC Campus Recreation, and I direct the fitness program, special events, and fitness services. I also am co-chair of the UNC Worksite Wellness Committee, which is called Work Well, Live Well. And the committee is committed to improving the health and well-being and the quality of life of all UNC employees. The role of the committee is to coordinate and promote existing efforts that are happening already here on campus, advocate for resources and support for wellness for employees, to plan, implement, and evaluate wellness initiatives, and to serve as a primary source within the university for encouraging healthy living among UNC employees. That's me.
And I'm Meg Pomerantz. I'm the project director for the Carolina Collaborative for Research on Work and Health, and we're housed here in Rosenau in health behavior. And our mission is to bring together folks who have an interest in the area of work, health, life balance.
So this project would be working with the Worksite Wellness Committee to develop a program for the UNC housekeeping staff using a community-based participatory approach. Facility services housekeeping here at UNC is managed by a director and a support staff of 4 assistant directors who have a total of 24 zone managers working under them. In addition to the leadership team, there are 400 housekeepers, including 4 office support staff and personnel who work in the housekeeping department. So why would we think this project is important? We've been working with UNC Employee Wellness for a number of years, and because of the number of employees here on campus and the fact that it's so disjointed as far as getting groups together, we felt that the housekeepers were an audience that we could really target and assist with promoting their health. Back in 2011, a consulting group was hired to assess the climate and culture of housekeeping services, and based on that report, there were some findings that the Chancellor at this time is very committed to helping support housekeepers on this campus. So the climate is right, and we hope that this program would proactively meet the health needs of the UNC housekeeping staff. Some of the occupational characteristics of low-wage workers include spending most of their time standing, being exposed to contaminants, dealing with angry and upset people. And this is something that, you know, they do have a very difficult job, and showing, making an effort to do something to promote their health and well-being shows that they are a very important part of the university community.
So the mission of this particular capstone project is several things that we would like to address. First, we would like to organize a committee of housekeeping staff members to work with the capstone team. We feel that it's really important that the housekeepers have a voice in this and in helping us figure out what's going to work best for them. Another part of it will be to conduct some formative research to identify what their needs are, what assets do they have, what kind of interests and work-related concerns are there. Then also to use that formative research and the pre-seed-proceed planning model to develop a written, evidence-based wellness action plan for the housekeeping staff. And then lastly, to present these strategies for implementing the plan to the UNC Worksite Wellness Committee. There are 4 deliverables with this project, the first of which is the formative research summary report. We're looking for students who can help us gather data and information needed to understand the unique health needs, the interests, the assets, and the strengths of the housekeeping staff. To conduct a literature review to identify evidence-based intervention strategies that may be appropriate and appealing to this group of workers. And to identify and implement methods to learn about the work environment and working conditions of these particular low-wage workers. The second deliverable is a wellness action plan, and we're hoping that the team will work collaboratively with the wellness subcommittee. And that subcommittee will be made up of housekeeping staff. Gather the results of the formative research and use that to create a wellness plan. And then once you have the wellness plan together, we need a strategic plan about how we're going to implement it. So taking that plan and making recommendations for the implementation and those activities that could go for another 5 years at the university. And then lastly, presentations. And there'll be presentations to the UNC Worksite Wellness Committee, as well as other stakeholders that would include people like the Director of Housekeeping, the Director of Human Resources on campus. Skills that you will gain from being a part of this team include engaging stakeholders, interviewing, conducting focus groups, conducting formative research, developing a wellness action plan, a strategic plan, and developing and delivering presentations. Quickly, we have a couple of websites where you can find us. Here's how you contact us, and we're looking forward to working with you right before we get the curtain to take it.